maganda yung training na nagawa ngayon. Particular dun sa production team na hindi sila namulat sa maging isang leader. Marami akong natutunan kung paano i-approach at ano yung mga tamang paraan sa pagiging isang leader.
Okay, since nasa sales ako, I can apply this in actually meeting our sales quota and how to have a strategic planning on how to hit the goal that we have in our department.
Siguro ang nakikita ko dun sa leadership style is yung sa democratic. Kukunin ko yung opinions nila na mapo-foster din yung growth nila as a member of the team.
Actually, nabitin ako kanina dun sa training kasi hindi lang pala matututo ka dun. Masaya din at the same time. So, nag-look forward pa ako sa completion nitong leadership training na to and then goal setting at the same time.
Very good kasi parang in a company like manufacturing, bibihira lang yung may ganong approach na merong initiative from executives na mag-train siya. Maganda pa doon, hindi lang siya for rank and file, kasama pa rin pati yung mga productions.
Ayun. Ngayon, mas naiintindihan ko kung paano niya kami hinuhubog bilang isang leader. So, as a leader, huwag kang mainis or mainggit pagka may nahuhubog ka na isa pang leader. It means naging successful ka bilang leader kasi mas may naging successful pa na leader sa'yo. That's why I am very grateful na magkaroon or mapabilang sa training na sinagawa dito sa Genworth by Miss Jessie.
Excellent. She's a very good trainer and we're expecting to have a more session of trainings with her.
Very informative and engaging. Yung the way niyang i-explain yung leadership styles, may examples pa, nakaka-relate talaga. And especially sa nakikita ko dito sa Genworth. Kaya madali ko pong naiintindihan yung mga nila-lecture.
For me, inspiring. Tsaka madali siyang intindihin, na i-deliver niya ng maayos na maiintindihan ng lahat. So, sobrang nakaka-inspire. Kaya, pagpatuloy pa rin sana ni Ma'am Jessie na magkaroon ng mga ganyang training. Thank you, Ma'am Jessie.